Tamwomba naibu wa gavana, deputy governor, tafadhali usonge mbele. Tafadhali ujao mbele. DJ wimbo na wimbo. Wananchi mzalendo, umwendee gavana wetu wa pili Excellence Paul Simba Arati. DJ
I present to you now your Governor, Honorable Simba Arati.
Sote tusimame of Kisii County Government. Tafadhali tuko live kwa MTV. Wewe mpiga picha wa simu, tafadhali songa nyuma kidogo gavana anapotuonyesha certificate yake. Ningependa kumkaribisha Her Excellence the First Lady, Her Excellence the First Lady Ms. Paul Arati to come forward. Wapi makofi ya First Lady? Kwa heshima maafisa tulio hapa juu, ningekuwaomba kwa heshima yenu tumwache gavana anayeondoka, gavana anayeingia, the deputy governor na viongozi wa kaunti wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Tafadhali tushuke chini kidogo, na waomba tumwache women rep, senator, county secretary, wengine tushuke chini kidogo. Let's give humble time the officers of the group. Na waomba tushuke tu chini kidogo, tushuke. Gavana Daktari Robert Osare Monda, wapi shangwe na nderemo?
My lady, this is the swearing-in ceremony of the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, pursuant to Gazette Notice number 9884, dated 17 August 2022, who was elected into office on 9 August 2022 and was subsequently gazetted by IEBC by Gazette Notice number 9949 of 22nd August 2022. In fulfillment of the requirements of Article 74 of the Constitution, as read in Section 14 of the Assumption of Office of Governors Act 2019, and pursuant to Section 40 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with Regulation 34(2) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, my lady, you are called upon to administer the oath of office to the Deputy Governor, Kisii County. If it pleases you, my lady, I would like to call upon His Excellency, the Deputy Governor-elect, Kisii County, Honorable Robert Osare Monda, to take his position in front of the podium in readiness for administration of oath by the judge. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Okay. Pia kama Honorable Robert Osare Monda ambaye ni Deputy Governor atakula kiapo cha ofisi ya Deputy Governor na pia kiapo cha kusema kwamba atawafanyia kazi kwa njia ya uadilifu. Mheshimiwa, Biblia na Katiba.
Honorable Dr. Robert Osare Monda, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
Kipchumba.
Honorable Dr. Robert Onsare Monda, ID number 1640646, having been elected as the Deputy Governor of Kisii County, do hereby confirm that I have read and understood the specific leadership and the integrity code prescribed for state officers in the county executive of Kisii, and hereby commit myself to abide by the provisions of the code. So help me God.
Shangwe na nderemo tafadhali. Asante.
Your Governor, Honorable Robert Onsare Monda.
DJ, cheza kama wewe. Basi utamleta chairman wa Assumption Office Committee ambaye ni head of civil service aweze kumkaribisha gavana anayeondoka, akabidhi the instruments of power. Welcome, CS.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii, Paul Simba Arati, it is now my pleasure to welcome the outgoing you have to wait kidogo.
The signing of the certificates by His Excellency, the Deputy Governor, and I will display it on the full glare of you, Mwananchi.
So I present to you the Honorable Robert Onsare Monda, your Deputy Governor.
Basi ningependa
say the ceremony.
Wapi Keriacho tena wa mama? Your Excellency, kindly move forward kidogo. Sako kwa bako na mpendo wake Mrs. Joyce Kemuma Monda. Asante, asante sana and congratulations. Tafadhali tutulie. Asante, tutulie kidogo. Basi tafadhali tunaomba tutulie kidogo tu kwa dakika moja.
My lady, that marks the end of the ceremony. I now hand over the program back to the master of ceremony.
Thank you. I want to invite the Chair Assumption Committee, Head of Civil Service, Mr. Patrick Lumumba. Thank you. Tawakumbusha tu tutulie bado. Tafadhali msiende mbali. First ladies, we are going to have a photo session with you. Please remain here.
Thank you very much. Our Judge, Lady Justice Teresia Mombua Mateka. It's now my pleasure to invite the County Attorney to represent the instruments of power from the outgoing Governor, James Omariba Ongwae, to the incoming Governor of Kisii, His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati. The first,
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Honorable Excellency Honorable Paul Simba Arati, my Governor, it is now my pleasure to give you the instruments of power. I'm going to want to you the county seal. I learned to you the county flag. I learned to you the county coat of arms. And I'm going to want to you, Your Excellency, the Constitution, which will guide you in your daily activities as we all, the people of this great county of Kisii, wish you well in your journey for the next 5 years, and God willing after that. May God bless you with your deputy and with your spouses, and I can also see my good senator is also standing next there. I wish you all the best. And my county MP is also here. Thank you very much. Doris, if you can stand on this side. I didn't see you because you are standing very far. Now the first thing that I'm handing to you is the county flag. Yeah, that's the flag, and you can see it's a good flag. We wish you the best, my brother. Probably I want to tell you something about this flag. If you can see, the stars there represent the 6 sub-tribes of Kisii County. If you can see those stars, they represent your Mubasi, they represent your Mugirango, they represent your Munchari, they represent your Mugetutu, they represent your Munyaribari, and they represent your Mumachoge. And then you can see the Kisii banana. We are a county of bananas, and we all grew through eating and selling the banana. And then you can see soapstone there. We are the only county in the world, in the entire world, that has got soapstone. And that's why you are seeing in there. And then, the best of the best, you can see Egetinge, which was important for our mothers as they brought us up. And of course, you can also see tea. which brought us up. And finally, you can see the beautiful environment that we have. So my brother, I wish you the best. This is the coat of arms for the county, and this is what gives you also strength, my brother Governor. I'm giving you the county seal. This is the county seal. Anything that has been, this seal has been put on, know that that document is completely and absolutely legal. And then finally, my brother, the Constitution, which guides you, which also tells you to what you just took your oath of office, to be fair and to also follow the law. I thank you very much, my brother, and I wish you the best. Thank you.
DJ, Your Excellency, before you leave, Your Excellency, before you leave, naomba tafadhali wengine tushuke hadi mimi, tumwache gavana anayeondoka, naibu wa gavana, seneta na county MP waweze kupigwa picha, alafu baadaye first ladies muje hapa mbele nyote muungane kwa picha. Lakini kabla ya hiyo, ningeomba Your Excellency mwashi kwa kuchukua njiwa. This is a dove, a sign of peace and prosperity to our county of Kisii. Nitahesabu 1 hadi 3 na mtaachiria. 1, 2 and 3. May we have Thank you, DJ. Thank you. First ladies. Naomba tafadhali msaidie kutoa meza hapa. Kindly help me remove this table. Tuitoe. DJ, napenda jaza. First lady, Mama Elizabeth, kindly come forward too. This is our photo. DJ, ningependa Your Excellency Governor usonge mbele, and the Excellency, the outgoing Governor, please move forward. Your Excellency, move forward for this photo. You two only, for as we wait for the first lady. The two of you, wapi makofi yao? Deputy Governor, please join. Thank you very much. I now welcome the County MP and the Senator to join on the photo. County MP and the Senator join the photo. Lastly, I'll ask the Excellencies to move back one step to be joined by Her Excellencies, the First Ladies. And I'll request that the Senator, please, thank you for obeying that. Let's have this one, then I'll also call you together with your beloved wives. Thank you. Asante DJ, tulia. Ningeomba sasa First Lady, Her Excellency Elizabeth, the outgoing Governor, the incoming Governor and the First Lady, just to remain. Please, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, if you may step back kindly. Look at our beautiful county. Look at our beautiful county. I'll kindly ask you, you hold hands and raise like this together. This is love. Thank you very much. I'll now ask all of you to go and sit. Your Excellency, Your Excellency and the family, I will ask now that you take time to go and inspect the guard of honor. Tafadhali tutoke wote, tufungue njia. Naona familia ya Gavana Simba Arati wako hapa na wangeomba picha na yeye. Kwa sababu mmefika, tafadhali tuongeeni mbele. Thank you, Your Excellency, Your Governor. Naomba tafadhali wengine tumwache familia ya Governor anayeingia, tuharakishe, we are getting late of time. Please take photos. Tusonge. Tutoke juu tafadhali. Let's give His Excellency the Governor humble time to have a photo. Tunamfinya sana hapa. Please, police officers, help us. Let's have some order. Hii ndio familia ya Governor Sim Paul Arati, gavana wa pili, na sote tuseme Simba leta. Asante tafadhali. Sasa tushuke wote kwa heshima. Your Excellency, naomba usonge mbele. Wananchi wapendwa, kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa tarehe 25, tafadhali turudi tuketi, tutoke kwa uwanja. Kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja, kila mtu atoke kwa uwanja. Wale waliosimama pale, tokeni kwa uwanja. Your Excellency, 1 minute. Tutoke, hawa watu wamesimama hapa chini, tusonge nyuma. Songa nyuma ya podium, songa nyuma ya podium tafadhali. Smart, tokeni, tusimame toka hapo mbele. Ningeomba basi tutulie tafadhali, tusonge, tuwe nyuma. Tokeni kwa nyasi. Kama umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Ikiwa umesimama kwa nyasi, toka. Wale naongelesha wamesimama pale, we are doing a very serious thing. Move back, let's go back. Turudi tafadhali, simtoke.
Tufanye haraka tafadhali, tufanye haraka kwa sababu ya muda. Tufanye haraka tafadhali.
Naomba tusikize, ni heshima. Basi naomba wananchi tusimame wima, kila mtu asimame. Ikiwa umevalia kofia isiyo rasmi, tunaomba usimame kimya na utulie kwa heshima ya taifa letu tukufu na heshima ya kaunti.
Watu wote tusimame, uwanja mzima tusimame tafadhali. Tusimame sisi wote.
Band. Wimbo wa Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Tutulie tafadhali, tutulie. Gavana anaomba sasa aweze kukagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa Pembe wa Jimbo.
Security please, wachana na yeye. Security give him time please, wachana na yeye. Security please, thank you. Moja tu, thank you. Security. You celebrating moja tu, thank you. Security please.
Gavana kwa heshima na kwa mara, sogeni kando tafadhali. Kwa mara ya kwanza kabisa anakagua waride ya heshima iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake kama gavana wa pili wa jimbo la Kisii.
Asante sana. Wengine tunaweza kaa sasa. Wengine tukae tafadhali. Tukae, asante sana. Thank you. Wengine tukae.
wakiongoza Salvation Army Band na Kisii anaomba ruhusa ya kuondoa waride iliyoandaliwa kwa heshima yake gavana wa pili, na gavana amesema permission granted. Naomba tafadhali gavana atumie jukwaa tu anapopanda na akishuka. Wapi makofi ya gavana wetu, Gavana Simba Paul Arati, His Excellency. Mnaomba kusimama jukwaa kuu anapoingia gavana wa pili, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. Wapi makofi?
Asante sana, thank you. Tusimame jukwaa tunapomkaribisha gavana wetu wa pili wa Kisii County, Gavana Paul Simba Arati. Tusimame tukimkaribisha anapoingia jukwani. Asante sana. Haya, wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali tutoke sisi wote. Asante. Wapi makofi ya gavana anapoingia jukwani? Asante.
Kwa heshima sasa namkabidhi mwenzangu ambaye ni Master of Ceremony of the Day.
Thank you.
Aweze kuendelea.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Abantu ba Kisii County piyambale. Iriya tange iriya tobono kyo masikani kya Simba netaya. Asante sana. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Asante sana. Asante sana. Thank you. Wale ambao mko kwa uwanja tafadhali mtulie. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Osoro, karibu sana. Na mkubalie aingie peke yake tafadhali. Aingie tu peke yake. Wapi makofi ya Mheshimiwa Silvanus Osoro? Thank you so much. Thank you Mheshimiwa, karibu sana. Karibu sana. Thank you. Asanti. Aya, tukubaliane tafadhali, tukubaliane tafadhali. Aya, asanti Osoro, Mheshimiwa wako sawa. Please, you can pave the way. Thank you so much. Asante. Aya, asante sana. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. God is good, Kisii, all the time. Asante sana, asante sana. Kwa sasa ningependa maridadi. Asante sana. Kwa heshima sasa Kikundi cha Reinforcement Kisii County, kwa heshima Mheshimiwa Your Excellency Simba Arati usimame tukiwapokea saluti ya heshima kikosi cha Kisii County Reinforcement Team. Ndio hiyo saluti ya heshima ya kumkaribisha gavana mpya. Wapi nduru ya kikosi chetu cha Reinforcement Kisii County? Asante sana, tusimame sisi wote kwa heshima. Maridadi. Yes. Maridadi. Wanatoa heshima yao kwa gavana mpya, gavana wa pili Kisii County, Gavana Paul Simba Arati. Maridadi. Aha. Asante sana. Haya, tukae. Thank you so much. Tukae tafadhali. Maridadi. Haya. Sasa maridadi, thank you. Thank you so much. Kikosi chetu cha Kisii County Reinforcement, asante sana. Kwa sasa our governor, the second governor Kisii County, Your Excellency Sir Honorable Simba Arati. Nikubalie sasa kwa wakati huu nikiweza kuandalia burudani kidogo. Kuna jamaa ambaye anaitwa Joseph Mambo ambaye aliimba wimbo Simba Netaya. Halo. Sasa kwa heshima kwa sababu hatujawahi kuwa na wakati kama huu, I want to ask the outgoing governor and the incoming governor and the first ladies, the outgoing first lady and the incoming first lady, as men of the same opinion say aye. The ayes have it. So Governor Simba Arati yako wapi? Where huyu jamaa kwa wapi? Mambo, where are you? Mambo kujeni hapa. Come here. Just come here. Mambo, where is Mambo? Huyu jamaa aliimba wimbo ambao umejulikana sana, umeimba sana, na tunataka tumkaribishe pamoja, wapate nafasi nzuri na gavana ambaye anaingia na gavana ambaye anatoka. Tuimbe huu wimbo kwa pamoja. Tena kuchiari dada. Gavana ngayari. Gavana Simba, where are you? DJ. Hapo sawa. Tusimame. The outgoing governor, the incoming governor. Tusimame sisi wote. Wote tusimame. Asante sana, thank you so much, asante sana. Haya, mwanje to muziki. Okay, asante sana. Wapi mali pepe Segero? Segero wako wapi? Turudi tukae tafadhali. Segero ako wapi? DJ, Segero kimbia. DJ tupatie moja ya Segero. Alafu kisha baadaye tuwapeleke kwa ratiba nyingine. Wapi makelele ya gavana? Asante sana. Sasa tukae tafadhali. Na watu wengetanga na hivyo asenseme hiyo muziki. Tukae tafadhali, sisi wote tukae tafadhali. Thank you so much. Tukae sisi wote. Asante sana. Wale ambao mmesimama tafadhali kwa VIP, tukae tafadhali. Those who are standing kwa VIP, tutulie kabisa. Asante sana. Tukae tutulie sasa. Asante. Sasa kwa heshima na vile nimeelekezwa, kwa sasa ningependa nikaweze kumkaribisha the outgoing governor Kisii County, His Excellency Governor James Elvis Omariba Ongwae. Okay, thank you so much. Asante sana. Nimkaribishe Patrick Lumumba alafu atupeleke kwa kipindi kifuatacho. Karibu sana Patrick. Thank you.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony. Our governor for Kisii County, Paul Simba Arati, our outgoing governor, James E.O. Ongwae, our first ladies, it's now my singular pleasure to invite the outgoing governor to make brief remarks. Thank you very much.
My governor, Excellency Simba Arati, the governor of this great county of Kisii, the first lady, Excellency Madam May, the outgoing First Lady, Excellency Elizabeth Ongwae, the Deputy Governor, Excellency Monda, together with his wife, the Mzee Sam Ongeri, our outgoing senator, our new senator, Richard Onyonka, Mheshimiwa Richard Onyonka, the members of parliament who are here, Madam Donya, Honorable Zai, Honorable Kibagendi, Honorable Jafeth Nyakundi, Honorable Alpha Miruka, Honorable Silvanus Yosoro, Honorable Dan Manduku, Honorable Badia Barongo, and Honorable Charles Onchoke, our Bishop of this great county of Kisii, Your Lordship Mairura, the members of the County Assembly, those who won and those who lost, who are in this gathering, all my brothers and sisters from this great county of Kisii. Your Excellency, I congratulate you for becoming the second governor of this great county of Kisii. Politics is over. Now we must start running this county. I also thank the people of Kisii for the 10 years they gave me in leveraging this county. Your Excellency, the institutionalization of this county, what you are seeing here, when we came here, there was no stadium here. There was nothing. All these people who are passing here, the askaris and so on, that was part of the institutionalization process. The county is institutionalized, the county is ready for takeoff, and this is a great county, Your Excellency, and I wish you the best. I have the confidence that you will take us the next level. I saw how you campaigned, and I know that with that zeal, you will be able to guide this county forward. Your Excellency, the Assumption of Office Committee has already prepared all the necessary reports on the functioning of the county. They will be able, in that committee, you are ably represented by people who are lawyers and people who know matters accounting. So the report that you are going to get is substantive. We have agreed informally between the two of us that we are also going to have our own meeting where I'll take you through matters that they themselves actually, which are matters that are sacred to the governor, and those matters, Your Excellency, I'm going to take you through. Please, with all humility, I ask you to allow me to paraphrase President Uhuru Kenyatta, who recently said that when you serve people, you cannot complete everything. You must leave other things, others for posterity, and others for the leaders who are coming. And if you allow me that, just allow me to tell you those things that are pending. The ones that I've done, I do not want to spend my time on them because you will be able to see them when you take office. The first one, Your Excellency, is the Cancer Center. Some time back, we wrote a concept paper and we got about 2.5 billion shillings from the Saudi government and the Arab Bank for International Development. That money had to pass through the Ministry of Health. So the Ministry of Health is the implementer, even though we requested for those funds. We have had meetings with the Ministry of Health. They have advertised for this cancer center. We have already identified the plot, which you have seen. And what is remaining is for identification of the contractor to come and start putting in place the cancer center. It will be the biggest cancer center in Western Kenya, and Your Excellency, I know that you know how to follow things. Please follow that one. The second thing, Your Excellency, I want to tell you is about the mother-child. We were with you when Madam Aido Odinga opened it. But Your Excellency, when it was opened, anything that is opened, even your own house, you open it, you start with a few things, and then you start putting things. So please, that is going to be your major project. We wish you the best. It is a 350-bed facility. Kindly ensure, Your Excellency Governor, that it starts working. We have the Doctors Plaza. It is finished. It is for doctors. The only thing you have to decide, those doctors who are coming in, what are they paying you? What are they paying government, your government? And how are they going to operate from there? Your Excellency, we signed the Kenya-UK Health Alliance. That Kenya-UK Health Alliance had a portion for Kisii County, and we went to the UK with the Vice Chancellor of Kisii University, and we signed the alliance. And they gave us a portion. They gave 2 portions to Kenya. One of them is to Jomo Kenyatta University as a center of excellence for oncology, and Kisii University as a center of excellence for health education in East and Central Africa. And it's a major project, Your Excellency. I'll give you the details. If you follow that with the Vice Chancellor, these people of Kisii County will feel very nice. Your Excellency, the people of South Mugirango voted for you, even if they had their own candidate. You got a lot of votes from there, and I've been able to see. There is the sugar factory. The investor is supposed to start putting in place. I'll give you all the facts, Your Excellency, so that you can finish it. Your Excellency, Suneka Stadium. The national government came and put a contractor there. He removed the airstrip, sorry, Suneka airstrip. He removed the former airstrip, and nothing can land there for the last 2 years. And we have followed it, but I know with your vigor you should be able to follow national government to ensure they finish that project. Your Excellency, this stadium, the current president, Uhuru Kenyatta, he has not handed over, promised us 150 million. But we didn't wait for him, we put the tartan truck. But he's supposed to, that money is supposed to do the entire embankment. He's supposed to put lights here. He's supposed to add 2 or 3 pavilions, one on that side and another one on that side, and a few other things, niceties to finish this stadium. This is the best stadium as it is right now in the Nyanza region. You've been to Kisumu yourself, you know this is better. So, Your Excellency, I am kindly requesting you that you follow that money before he leaves office, the 150 million. Because if we leave you to start looking for that money from the county, you probably will use money that would have gone to more serious things like health services, which Your Excellency have heard you talk about very many times. Finally, Your Excellency, you know, and I want to say this with a light joke, you know about Ogembo municipality and the other major towns. Please open them, and that should be your first charge as you take office. My brothers and sisters of Kisii, I thank you sincerely for the 10 years. Nobody is able, nobody is God. I had my own idiosyncrasies. I had my own problems as a person, but I want to believe that where I tried, I also tried. Abagusiba mintongo bakirambi yamono na nche tigange ndo mumuroyo musani ono has taken over tigama ngana siyasa oyino musani one none ruko mena batevi. I wish you all the very best, and may God be with you and may God bless you. Thank you very much. As I finish now, allow me, I have already introduced the members of parliament who are here, but this is for our new governor, His Excellency Simba Arati. So we have all agreed